You are throwing money away every single week, and you don't even know it. The average American family spends over $600 a year on cleaning products, fabric softeners, weed killers, and personal care items. When this one $2 bottle sitting in the grocery store aisle handles almost all of it. I'm talking about plain white vinegar. And today, I'm going to show you 21 things it can do that most people have never even heard of. Stay with me to the end, because number 17 is the one that genuinely surprised me the most.
White vinegar is about 5% acetic acid and 95% water. That simple chemical composition is what makes it one of the most versatile and powerful household tools you can own for cleaning, health, cooking, gardening, and more. Let's get into all 21. I've broken them into 4 categories to make this easy to follow. Let's start where most people already know vinegar works, cleaning. But I promise you, even here, there are things you haven't tried. Use number 1, all-purpose surface cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. That's it. It cuts grease, kills most surface bacteria, and leaves no chemical residue for about 10 cents a bottle compared to $4 for a name brand spray. Use number 2, microwave deep clean. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water. Microwave it for 5 minutes. The steam loosens every bit of stuck-on food. Wipe it out with a cloth. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals. Use number 3, deodorize a garbage disposal. Drop an ice cube tray worth of frozen white vinegar cubes down your garbage disposal and run it with cold water. The ice mechanically sharpens the blades and knocks off stuck-on food, while the vinegar kills the odor-causing bacteria hiding inside the rubber splash guard. Use 4, strip hard water stains off faucets and shower heads. Soak a paper towel or cloth in undiluted white vinegar and wrap it around your faucet or shower head. Leave it for an hour. The mineral deposits dissolve completely. This works better than most commercial descalers that cost $8 to $12 a bottle. Use 5, clean and freshen the washing machine. Once a month, run an empty hot cycle with 2 cups of white vinegar poured into the drum. It removes soap scum, kills mildew, and eliminates the musty smell that builds up, especially in front loaders. No specialty cleaner needed. Use 6, streak-free window and glass cleaner. Mix 1 part vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Spray on glass. Wipe with a microfiber cloth or old newspaper. You get streak-free windows for pennies. Windex costs about $5 a bottle. This costs almost nothing. Use 7, dissolve sticky residue and labels. Soak a cloth in white vinegar and press it onto any sticker, price tag, or sticky residue for 2 minutes. It peels right off without scratching the surface. Works on glass, plastic, wood, and metal. That's 7 cleaning uses, 14 more to go. Now let's talk about laundry, because this is where a lot of families are spending money they don't need to. Use number 8, natural fabric softener. Add half a cup of white vinegar to your washing machine's fabric softener dispenser. Your clothes come out soft, static-free, and with no vinegar smell. The scent completely disappears when dry. A gallon of white vinegar costs about $3. A bottle of Downy costs $12 and doesn't go as far. Use number 9, remove tough stains before washing. Apply undiluted white vinegar directly to sweat stains, deodorant marks, or food stains. Let it soak for 30 minutes before washing as normal. It breaks down the proteins and minerals in the stain without bleaching or damaging fabric. Use number 10, brighten whites without bleach. Add 1 cup of white vinegar to a hot water wash cycle with your whites. It naturally brightens fabrics and removes dulling residue left behind by detergent without the harsh chemical damage that bleach causes over time. We're halfway through, and number 17 is still coming. Use number 11, fix colors that have run in the wash. If a colored item has bled onto something else, soak the affected garment in undiluted white vinegar for 30 minutes before washing again. The acetic acid helps release the transferred dye from the fibers. Use number 12, Prevent new dark clothes from fading. Before you wear new dark jeans or dark shirts for the first time, soak them in cold water with a cup of white vinegar for an hour. This sets the dye in the fabric, significantly slowing how quickly dark clothes fade with repeated washing. Now we're getting into the section that surprises most people. And honestly, this is where white vinegar earns its place as something you should never run out of. A quick note, always use diluted vinegar for anything on your skin or body. Undiluted vinegar is acidic enough to cause irritation if left on skin. Diluted, it's remarkably useful. Use 13. Condition and detangle hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of white vinegar with 1 cup of water and use it as a post-shampoo rinse. The low pH of the vinegar seals the hair cuticle, which locks in moisture, eliminates product buildup, detangles strands, and leaves hair incredibly shiny once rinsed out. Use 14. Treat athlete's foot and nail fungus. Soak your feet in a basin of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts warm water for 20 minutes daily. The acidic environment kills the fungus that causes athlete's foot and slows nail fungus growth. Antifungal creams cost $10 to $20. This costs almost nothing. Use 15. Clear up skin blemishes. Dab a small amount of diluted white vinegar, 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water, onto a blemish with a cotton ball. Its antibacterial properties and mild acidity help dry out the spot and reduce bacteria. Use it as a toner a few times a week. Use 16. Relieve itching from insect bites. Apply a small amount of undiluted white vinegar directly to a bug bite. It neutralizes the alkaline compounds injected by the insect, which is what causes the itch. The relief is almost immediate and lasts far longer than scratching. Use 17. Cure hiccups instantly. This is the one that sounds ridiculous until it works. Take a teaspoon of undiluted white vinegar. The sharp acidity stimulates the vagus nerve and disrupts the spasm cycle, causing your hiccups. Most people's hiccups stop within seconds. It works reliably, and it costs essentially nothing. Did 17 surprise you? Wait until you see what it does in the garden. Last category, and these 4 are ones most people have genuinely never thought of. Use 18. Kill weeds without chemicals. Pour undiluted white vinegar directly onto weeds in your driveway, sidewalk, or garden path. The acetic acid kills the plant within 24 hours by drawing moisture out of the leaves. It won't damage soil long-term the way chemical herbicides can. A gallon of white vinegar handles a lot of weeds for about $3. Use 19. Keep cats and dogs off furniture. Spray diluted white vinegar on furniture, carpets, or any area you want pets to avoid. Animals have a strong aversion to the smell of vinegar. They will not go near it. Completely harmless and far cheaper than commercial pet deterrent sprays. Use 20. Extend the life of cut flowers. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the water in your flower vase. The vinegar inhibits bacterial growth in the water, while the sugar feeds the stems. Your flowers will last noticeably longer. Use 21. Freshen and deodorize any room. Place a small bowl of undiluted white vinegar in a room with a strong odor, cooking smells, pet odors, mustiness. Leave it overnight. The vinegar molecules actively neutralize odor-causing compounds in the air. By morning, the smell is gone, and so is the vinegar smell. It absorbs odors rather than masking them. Let's put this in real numbers. A gallon of white vinegar costs about $2 to $3. The products it replaces: fabric softener, all-purpose cleaner, weed killer, window cleaner, drain cleaner, pet deterrent spray. That's easily $150 to $200 a year for the average household. One ingredient, 21 uses, a few dollars a month. That's what smart household spending actually looks like.
If you found even 2 or 3 of those useful, you just saved yourself real money this month. And that's exactly what this channel is about. Not complicated investing advice or things that take years to pay off. Just smart, practical choices that add up fast. If you want to see what else is in your home that's costing you money you don't need to spend, hit subscribe. Next week, we're going into something that surprised me even more than the vinegar. And if you already knew some of these, drop your favorite use in the comments. I want to see what our community is already doing. I'll see you in the next one.